Yo, what is up, guys? It's Motovlog day, and as you can see, I'm out on the bike again, luckily. But of course, tomorrow, 100% chance of snow. Well, it's probably safe to say no motovlogs for a little bit. I'm on the highway doing 30 miles an hour. I've already passed 2 accidents. There's a car coming. I'm gonna put my phone down. Yeah, probably no motovlogs for a little while, huh? God dang it. You can't even see 30 feet in front of you. So awesome, we love that. But these last 2 days have been so good weather, it's ridiculous. Yesterday I really didn't film much of anything. Oh yeah, look, winter storm expected, be prepared is literally what that sign says. Yeah, yesterday it was like 65 degrees. Can you believe that? 65 degrees. Right now it's warm enough where I'm only in one hoodie. I'm on my way to the gym because it's gym time, you know, sit in the hot tub for a little while. But yeah, it's not too cold out here. I mean, to be warmer, I probably should have wore another coat like I usually do, but right now I'm chilling. It's actually not too cold at all. It's warm enough to do 80 fucking with one coat on. Now I really want to pass this guy, but there was a cop behind me this whole way. I think we're gonna go for it. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. You know, yesterday was Valentine's Day, and come to think of it, we actually haven't had that bad of a winter, like at all. We have been actually relatively dry. I mean, yeah, there's snow everywhere, but like, it seems dry. Like, the roads, I've been able to ride a lot more than I thought I would. When it snows, it seems I'm only not able to ride for like 2 days. Because it literally snowed like 3 days ago, I think, and the roads are dry. I just seen another bike on the other side of the highway. He waved at me. It was a Triumph something. But yeah, let's just enjoy that, you know. I was also thinking of some video ideas in the summertime. Hear me out, right? Here's what I want to do. Because not a lot of people go, you know, on camping adventure on these kind of bikes. So here's my idea, right? I do $100 motorcycle camping challenge and go. I'm not a fan of the 24-hour shit. Anybody can survive 24 hours with nothing, right? I want to at least do like 2 days. I think like a 2 or 3 day survival trip with just a backpack could be so sick. Like a backpack and $100, you know what I mean? Just little hints of what I think I want to do when I'm able to get back in the mountains and it's like 70, 80 degrees outside, you know? I think that could be such a cool idea. I think it could be so fucking cool. We just hopped off the highway, and now that I'm not, you know, going 80 miles an hour, it's actually pretty warm. Like, it's pretty warm actually. I'm excited that it's finally starting to get warm. Did you see that Tesla take off? Okay, we're doing 100 miles an hour. We need to chill out. Okay, dude. That is so much fun. Dude, those other people are in the dust. Holy shit. Woo, that was fun, boys. Now let's just hope we don't see red and blue behind us. I was almost like revved out. I was doing 100 mile an hour in second gear at 9 grand. Holy fucking shit. See, who the hell needs pre-workout when you can just twist the throttle, go 110 mile an hour in second gear, and you know, on I don't want to say the speed limit because I don't want to admit to anything, right? But yeah, dude. Woo, who the fuck needs pre-workout? Holy shit. Woo, God, that's so much fun. Oh my God. That Tesla is still mobbing behind me. Jesus, dude. I took off at that red light and they are still mobbing behind me. So, you know, it's always nice when you have a speeding buddy. I mean, then it makes it kind of look like you're street racing, which I'm not street racing, but it's always nice to have a speeding buddy. We're almost here. We're almost here, finally. All right, we have made it. Let's go get a pump and sit in the hot tub, boys, eh? I think that sounds good. Let's go do that. All right, just got done working out. As you can see, I'm in the sauna, right? See? I usually do, if there's nobody in the saunas, I'll usually do the saunas, but as you can see, it's really small, and with more than, you know, unless you're with your friends, it's kind of weird, but yeah, I'll probably head up the steam room and then hot tub. I usually don't hit up the steam room or the hot tub, usually mainly the hot tub when I'm on my motorcycle, because, you know, when I get out, I'm wet and cold, or, you know, wet and wind don't really mix, but I have a towel, so I'll be alright. But, you know, I thought I'd make a little intro, or a little, you know, bonus clip in here in the middle of the vlog, because, one, I can't bring my GoPro in here, or it's in my locker, you know, and two, steam room will destroy my phone, and hot tub will also destroy my phone, so, and if you're curious, today was leg day, so, yeah, time to go hit up the steam room. Steam room done. All right, we're just leaving the gym. That was good as fuck. I stayed about an hour and 27 minutes, I think. Math, I think. I ended up chilling in the steam room for a while. I ended up talking to some people in there. Really cool people. But yeah, we are leaving. But this is kind of boring. So when some action happens, I'll bring the vlog back. Because right now, oh, here it is, the spot. R.I.P. Stone. Let's be careful here. Let's be careful. We don't want another, you know, fall to happen. So, oh, it looks pretty cleared up now, actually. Please don't go. Yeah, I don't set off this light, but thank God there's people here, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'll bring the vlog back when there's action. Well, this is the same road I was just mobbing on. And now we're stuck in traffic. I love traffic. It's actually not too bad, thank God. It actually feels warmer now than it did when I was on my way to the gym. Maybe that's because it's later. It's like, I think it's like 2:30 right now, I think. I don't know, my watch is, oh, my watch isn't covered up. Let's see what my watch says. It says it's 2, okay, motherfucker. Now I gotta reset my watch. It's still not showing me the time. Oh God, I'm hitting a button. We gotta cancel that or it's gonna call the cops. It's 2:52, for fuck's sake. Jesus. So yeah, I mean, it's later, but not too much later. My fucking watch keeps trying to call the cops. Fucking A, I can't move it up on my wrist anymore, dude. It keeps trying to call the cops. I can't call the cops, you know what I'm saying? I can't let that happen. Here goes some of my favorite parts. For some reason, in a car, I hate merging onto highways. But on a bike, it's just a little bit more fun. Just a little bit. Because we can go from, oh, we're doing about 30 miles an hour to... That was 80 in like 1 second. So, you know, maybe that's why it's a little bit more fun. I want to ride around some more because it's going to snow for the next like 3 days. But it's like, where do I go? You know? I don't really know where to go. What is that? Mile High what? Chester's or something like that? Huh. Looked good. listen, I don't speed all the time, but when you're getting past downshift, when you're getting passed by the slow lane, you need to get the fuck out of the way. Oh shit, this dude's door's open. Hey, your door's open, my guy. Are they in like a convoy together? Well, I hope nothing falls out. Where do we go? I want to ride, but where the fuck do we go? Maybe we go towards Boulder. Should we go towards Boulder? I think so. Now, the only concern with me, right, about this road is when it's windy, like it kind of is right now, or it's really icy and snowy, this road gets shut down. Okay, we're gone. Yeah, this road gets shut down quite a bit. So listen, I'm scared of ice still. I'm not gonna go up the canyon, but I want to. But as we've seen, there seems to always be fucking traffic there. And my favorite thing of all times, red lights. Oh, it went green. Hell yeah. Oh, no foot challenge. Oh, we did it. No feet. I just seen another motorcycle go by, so that's a good sign that the roads aren't shitty. They look fine. I'm sure they're fine, but you know, it's still, you know, it's iffy. Another thing, another vlog that will definitely happen, maybe, I don't know, in April or something near my birthday. I've never explored Boulder, and I kind of want to. So it'd be kind of cool to do like an exploring vlog, or a new places kind of vlog, right? I think that could be kind of cool. So we'll have to do that one day. Just ride up to Boulder, and they have, I know they have great hiking and shit. So we'll have to go up there and do some. We'll have to go and do some hiking. I rev it for the kid. He waved at me, so I'll rev it. Yeah, we got to do that shit, right? That would be so much fun. That would be so much fun. Oh, there's a school zone. I'm getting PTSD from my driving test. Oh God. If you don't know, I think I've told the story before, but when I took my driver's test when I was 16, I sped in a school zone twice. And it was active. It wasn't just like, oh no, it is a school zone certain times. No, it was an active fucking school zone. And she still passed me. How? I have no idea. And I got no joke, dude. Me and my mama, we went to the DMV and we seen your stereotypical big, short, spiky hair, fucking probably hates men lady. You know, just a stereotypical. When you think the DMV, you think of those kind of ladies, right? I got her. And somehow she still fucking passed me. I have no idea how, but hey, I'm grateful because I can drive, you know what I mean? So be grateful for the little things in life. It's a nice Harley right there. Probably some old cranky guy, but you know, nice bike. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I want to go somewhere, but I don't know where. I had to pull over and give my legs a break, y'all. Not gonna lie. I did leg day and my legs are killing me. Holy shit. Well, I came here to stretch my legs, and I just got a text from my brother that our fucking power is out. Oh my God. You guys, you know what I said would never happen about my bar end falling out? Look at this. I just noticed that just now. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God. When I was riding on the highway, something hit me in the foot. No fucking way. How did I not notice that? I guess because my hand covers it. Oh my God. Are you fucking my ass? Are you kidding me? Well, guess what I have to fucking buy? Dude, this is a fucking joke. I just found out my power went out And I lost my fucking bar end. Fantastic. I love that. Oh my god. I am upset, kinda. I literally said, my bar end will never fall out. My bar end will never fall out. The screw is like 3 inches long. Oh my god. Well, I gotta go see if my power is out. Are you shitting me? Did you see that way that guy was looking at me? Did you see that? Did y'all see? He was like catcalling me. There's cops right here. I was gonna rev it for him. Thank God I didn't. He looked like he was catcalling me. Oh man. Alright, well, I'm gonna go home and see if my power's out. I'll let you know in the bonus clip in a minute, but if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later! Dude, that fucking sucks. I can't believe that. I hope this piece doesn't come out. I don't think it will. You see this piece? See that piece in there? Well, guess what? Now my throttle should snap. Yep. It does do that. God dang it. I said it wasn't going to. And yeah, my power's out. So I love that. It's going to be out till 7 o'clock. And it's 3:27. So I'm probably going to go out and ride again. Still no power.